Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a video showing you how to get that expensive look with inexpensive products. So I've gone through all my makeup and I've picked out the products that I consider to be the most bougie out of affordable products and brands. Let's get into it. I'm going to do a really nice classic look, something that everyone will be able to wear, and then we'll top it off with an exciting lip. Before I get into the look, Notification Squad giveaway this week is the NARS Undressed 2 liquid lip set. So this is a set of 4 liquid lipsticks from NARS. If you're a member of the Notification Squad, then it's really easy. Make sure you comment within the first 12 hours and don't forget to thumbs up the video. But you have to be a Notification Squad member. That means if you're not already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, for the first step, I fell in love with this combination when I did this in my Eid look. If you remember from a couple of weeks ago, the L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer. It's in this cool holographic little bottle, which to be honest is really tiny, but L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I really love this. It's got a really nice demi-matte finish and it lasts for ages. It looks really good in conjunction with the primer. I'm gonna put on, I know I already look a bit shiny, but it doesn't stop me from priming with an illuminizing primer. Look at it. Oh my god, Tin Man vibes. My eyelids are red because I used a pink eyeshadow and pink has a tendency to stain. Ooh, I look so good, like beyond. And then we'll apply the Pro Matte. Ooh, big load. While everything is still a little bit damp, I'll use some contouring products. I actually really love the Colourpop Sculpting Sticks. I like the packaging that they're in and I love the product. They have holographic style text and it's just in a really nice clean stick and I really enjoy using them. So I'm gonna use the shade Adulting. Ooh, I just flattened it. Goodbye. Contouring the shit out of myself. And then easy peasy over the top just to deepen it in some of the key areas. Can you see how easily it blends? Really nice stuff. Rimmel has an eyebrow pencil that totally reminds me of my Tom Ford or my Hourglass pencils. It's a double-ended pen and, well, pencil I should say. I'm gonna do something nice and polished so that I look expensive. This is in the color Soft Black. Kind of using the edge. And then the pointy part. I love that. The Essence Make Me Brow is a really good knockoff of the Gimme Brow. It's not quite as thickening, but it's really cheap. So just do 2 layers. And it actually looks exactly the same as the old packaging of the Gimme Brow, but it's not the Gimme Brow. The Maybelline Master Cameo palette. It's a really good kind of dupe to the MAC palette that I like to use. It has a multitude of different colors. So I'm gonna take these two mixed together, pretty much my skin tone. I'm gonna use it to sharpen the look of the brow because I'm trying to be high class. I'm really happy with those brows, they're really sharp. While I'm here, I'll conceal my blemishes. I'm currently on my period, so there's quite a bunch. This palette probably doesn't go deep enough for the areas that I've contoured already. To prepare my eyes for eyeshadow, I'll take the Maybelline Color Tattoo Metal in Barely Branded. This one feels fancy because it's in a glass pot. It's really nice, heavy duty, and it's a nice shimmery base. or you can wear it on its own. It's not completely opaque though, you can see that my eye is still pink from the last eyeshadow. I think I mentioned that I just filmed a pink tutorial for Instagram and it like stained my eye. Love this palette, how gorgeous is it? And it's by Milani, so it won't break the bank. It's the Gilded Desires #1 palette. Look at those amazing colors. I'm gonna take the Naked Truth. That's what the shade is called. I'm gonna pat it all over my lid and brow bone. It's a really nicely pigmented shade. And the perfect flesh tone for me, really. I'll take that matte warm brown. Should I zoom in now? That we can see what we're doing. So I'm gonna take that matte brown, barely touching the skin here. Just whispering it over my eye. Those windscreen wiper motions. Whew, 5 hours later, I'm still blending that second bloody eyeshadow. Gosh, what is my life? Can't stop, won't stop. This is a beautiful shade. It's like a rose gold. I'm gonna use that flat brush to pack it onto my lid and then use, because it's so densely packed, it's quite firm. So I can like run it through my socket and semi-cut the crease, or at least define the crease nicely. Oh, how beautiful is that color? Woo! There's this rather large highlight here. I'm gonna mix it with this other large highlight. I'll then take this nice shimmery brown here, it's beautiful. Let's pack it under the eye. Ooh, I like it. Blend it out. Sigma Beauty do really good affordable eyeliners. This one's in the color Nutmeg. I'm gonna do my top lid and join the line up with the eyeshadow that's kind of winging out there. So I'm sort of creating a wing, but because it's brown, I can blend it in with the lower color and it's kind of seamless like that. How cool does that look? Super cool. Rimmel have these new eyeliners. It's called the Wonder Ombre. It's really slick because it's in this white pencil. One end is a gold color, in this particular one anyway, because they have other shades, and the other end's like a speckled gold black. It's really nice. I'm gonna take the black and focus it in on the inner part of my upper lash line. I'll take the gold end and run it through my waterline. I think that looks really pretty because there's gold flecks in that rose gold eyeshadow as well as in the brown that's under my eye, so it looks pretty. I think the Maybelline Total Temptation line has to have the best packaging ever. I was so close to using this palette, which I bought in, I think, in Boots in London, and it is so pretty. But I didn't break it open today. I wanted to use the Milani one, which I only just received. And in this line, they have this amazing matte pink, like light nude packaging, and it's so luxe. They also have a matching brow pencil in the line, which I was gonna use. I have to say, they're really nice luxe products. Maybelline has totally upped their game. I love it. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. It's got a classic mascara wand, which is, to be honest, my fave. Bottom lashes as well. Before I move on, I'll just tell you guys what I did to crispen up this line. I just took the eye pencil on a little eyeliner brush and used it to create a much crisper line. I was feeling like it just wasn't looking sharp enough. That looks cool. And then you can like blend it down yourself. Ooh, I like where this is going. We're going to finish off the eye look with these faux mink lashes by Ardell. As you guys know, Ardell do amazing affordable lashes, and maybe last year or the year before they released the faux mink line. Look how nice they look. Ooh. Yes. Sebastian just got back from the gym while my glue's drying. And I was just telling him that I've fallen in love with this TV show. It's called Safe, and it's based on a book by Harlan Coben, who is an author, and I've actually read heaps of his books, but not the one that this show is based on, and it's so good. It's got Michael C. Hall in it as the main character, and I'm only on the first episode, and I watched it before this, and I was like, okay, you gotta go film, and then you can reward yourself by watching the second episode once you've filmed. So I just cannot wait to get back to it. I love anything crime related, and his daughter's missing. We got left on a cliffhanger at the end of the episode, so I'm like dying to go back. But at the same time, I'm really feeling this makeup. Okay, they're on. I think they look absolutely amazing. I really love these because they're super flexible and I can mold them to my eye without any dramas. They look sick. Okay, awesome. A bronzer that I really think feels super luxurious is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's a really nice pale shade, so this only works for people that are my skin tone or lighter, but it's just so nice and subtle, blends so well, and really buttery on the skin. This has to be one of the most popular concealers, right? Out of drugstore and high-end. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I love it because although a lot of people might think this is really unsanitary, I just don't care. And I love to use it underneath my eye. It's got a really nice soft cushiony bowl thing at the end, and it just feels so good to use. And it's supposed to have anti-aging properties in it. Gotta be careful when you get to that blending, hey, you don't want to muck it up. Bourjois Paris is another really nice makeup product that feels a bit more high-end. It's actually, I think, the baby brand to Chanel, so I really like their products. I don't see many people talk about them. Why is that? Can you not get Bourjois in America or something? Answer me. I feel like I never see American YouTubers talk about it. Anyway, this is the Air Matte, which I've been loving lately. It's just a good match for me, and it doesn't look so dull. A really good luxurious highlight is the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Highlight Powder in Golden Sand. It's such a nice, like, I don't know, just the way it hinges open feels really, like, it's so smooth, and the product inside is embossed, so that feels really luxe. And then when the product goes on your face, look at that. It's so divine. Like, it's just so smooth. It's such a good product, and cheap as chips. For that really luxe look, like oh nice, hair on my lip. For that really nice runway look, pop some there and there. I also love Pixi products, and last year Aspen Ovard launched the glowy powder called Rome Rose, and I don't particularly think that the packaging is like high end, but it's definitely cute, and the product is so nice. It reminds me of NARS Orgasm. It's a rose gold, so it's going to go well with the eyeshadow. And it's really shimmery, so my whole cheek is gonna glow. Ooh. And I have a little breakout there, so it's kind of emphasizing that. Bit annoying, but it's not gonna stop me from putting my glow on. If you're a makeup lover, the brand Wet n Wild has launched in Australia exclusively on Glam Radar. They sent me a box of Wet n Wild makeup, and this one I feel like feels very luxurious because if you remember back in the days before they knew smoking was horrible for you, those women had those really long cigarette like stick things, and it just kind of reminds me of that, and I feel so bougie holding this long pencil. Like, it's ridiculously long, which makes it value for money, but also feels really nice and luxe. Maybe not very convenient to keep it in your makeup like organizer because it's so long, like longer than any other makeup product I own. It's like a brush. I'm gonna use it in red despite my lip color being pink because I'm gonna put this topper on, which is kind of a mix between red and pink. And I think the red's gonna be fine mixing them together. So I'm gonna line my lips. Oh, it's kind of a bluey red anyway, so it's kind of pink. Oh my gosh, it's so funny that it's like an orange red on the packaging. Oh, it says it's berry red. That does make sense. It's like a berry color for sure. But it's just funny because the color of the packaging is full on hot red, not berry red. The lipstick I've picked is called What If from Colourpop. And it's a nice berry pink, I guess, strawberry pink. It comes in this metal container despite being Colourpop and so really affordable. And it's also embossed on the actual lipstick bullet. So it feels really nice to use. Wow, lip liner really does help to do your lipstick faster. Ooh, look at that. This is so pretty. This is the Milani Hypnotic Lights lip topper. This one's called Fluorescent Light. Look at the packaging. It's so nice. The glittery lid and all that jazz. And it goes really well with my lipstick. Wow, it's really like smooth. That looks so good, but they sent me this other one that actually goes way better with my lipstick, with my eye look. So I'm gonna be the bad bitch I am and mix the shades. This one's called Flashing Light. Am I too shimmery? Cool. Makeup done. I think it came out really nice. What do you guys think? And all with affordable products. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to enter the Notification Squad contest. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you very soon. Mwah.